Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm back again, and I'm surrounded by thousands of mugs. So I have a huge passion about mugs, and I truly adore them. So I decided to do a mug collection, and I think I will going to start with little ones. So first is this mug. I really adore. I have a whole set of this, and it's common here. I think everyone has it. Not everyone, but almost everyone. So that is. It comes with a little. I don't know what the word. Never mind. I really love to collect mugs, so I think that's why I'm doing this video. So next one, oh, these two. They are so cute, and they're like average size. You can see like my hand. They're like so adorable. Here they are, and I have these two also. Oh, these are bigger. Okay, this one I got it from my friend. It's like this inside. I really love this mug, really. I think my brother used it for coffee, although it's mine, but it's okay. Okay, next one is this. It's so fancy, so authentic and unique, and I really adore this mug. Look inside. It's so wonderful, elegant. And next one is maybe a Christmas one, but I still adore it. It's really old. I'm not using her. It's just standing in my kitchen, in the part where the mugs are standing. This is like this little kitten, like on Santa Claus, and it's December 26th because Christmas is over, so he's relaxing. Look, this is art, like really an art. Here is a little puppy. So I really love this mug. It's so like festive, and I have this little one. I have two, I think. This, it's really small, but is regular for coffee, I think. So here it is. I have this one. I think I got it from my grandma. I don't know where did she buy it. I think it's in Chinese store, to be honest. But I really love her because check this out. We have, this is for tea, and they're painted like Chinese woman. And it has this little part for tea, and it opens. Check this out. And we have 4 of this, but these are somewhere else. So this is it. Okay, next one is this adorable. I got this from my best friend, of course. I think she got me 3 mugs. They're here. This is so adorable. It's so gorgeous. This is my favorite mug, I think. I'm not drinking from it. I'm so sorry. I think I will catch a cold. Check this out, you guys. This is so amazing. This is perfect mug. Perfect. Like so perfect. I don't know, can you see it's New York in the reverse? I don't know if you can see these colors. Okay. Oh, I love this mug. Next one. Okay, you've seen this in one of my videos from editing. I think is March favorites. So this mug is really French, and when you see this mug, you just want to go to Paris and eat baguettes and croissant. And next will be this mug. I got this for my birthday. It's also very big. You can see how big is this. This is the wider one, but this one is really like, I don't know, you can see, like really tall, like my face. I got a message. No, go away. So this one is pretty. It's simple. You don't want to look in this. It's clear, I think. Oh, oh. This was my favorite mug for 2 years ago, I think. I think it was 2 years ago. And this mug I bought today. And this mug is latest I bought. And this mug is, I don't know how to compare it. Okay, this mug is not really big, but it has really strange shape. I don't know if you can see this, and it's like little rosy inside, and it's so beautiful in person, but I don't know if camera can cut this beauty. I don't know which, you can see it's so wide. I don't know how to get through you, but it's really wide, and like this, they're almost the same size. This one is short, but it's wide. So I love to drink green tea from this. And last and least is this. Look at this. Look how beautiful they are. So perfect. It says all love you forever. This is so perfect. I'm gonna cry. I think this one and this one are only this one and this one are only mugs I bought alone, like by myself, and others are a gift or gift for birthday and celebrations and everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry I didn't film in a long time, but you know, I really don't had anything. Just I had nothing to say special. But I will preparing new videos, and I'm late about that. Okay, so you seen my mug collections. You don't know how much I love them. That's why I'm doing this video, because YouTube is all about doing what you love. I adore it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video. Bye, guys.